Hello everyone. The product condition on website and e-commerce app helps user to add a condition on the product form page and it will be automatically reflected in the website. Now let's see how it actually works. So for that we need to get into the inventory. Under products we can see the products that we have created. Now let's get into one of the product. Okay. So from here for each and every product we can add and product conditions. So from here user can select and condition that we have already created. To create a new one, you can just enter a new one name and you can just click on the create option to create it. And also we have a master to create a product condition. So for that we need to get into an website. Under configurations, we can see an option named product conditions where we can see all the conditions that we have created. And also you can delete it whenever you need. Let's get back to the inventory form. Now you can see for this product I have added and product condition as old. We can see the same condition on the website page. So let's get into the website now. So from here we need to get into the shop and also we need to get into the same product that we have added and condition. Now in this product form page of website, user can see and condition will be automatically applied in the website form page. In this way, we can make use of this module to add in condition of the product in the product form page and it will be automatically applied in the website page. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. To see more about a website related module, check our BrowseInfo playlist to see all newly updated website features that we have. Thanks for watching.